How to fix Fortune Mill is crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click the game in your library and open up the properties. And in the general tab launch options, you want to add -dx11. Then go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this process is completed, you can close Steam. And the next thing you'll need to do is open up your browser and head to this link, which is in the description below. And you will need to download the 86 installer and the 64 and install both of them for the redistributables. And once you finish that, this will require a computer restart. So right after the restart, you'll also need to check if you have the latest GPU driver updates. You can do that by using the AMD software or the NVIDIA app and checking for the latest driver and install it. And next, all you need to do is launch Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run it as admin. And then launch the game from your library. And that should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.